Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Itel S25. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and then you have to find parental controls, and then click let's do this. Now click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. And click I agree. Then click accept. And click supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And here you have to scroll all the way down. And now you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now scroll down and click next. And click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.